It's sundown, and I'm sitting here in the car waiting for the traffic enforcer because I was hit by a motorcycle. To be honest, I'm really a little bit angry and upset at the situation because, you know, where I am, this is a very commuter unfriendly city. And I work 45 minutes away. And so I'm already thinking about the inconvenience, and it is at this time of the year that it's 41 degrees to 42 degrees centigrade, and not having a car with an AC in this kind of time and situation is something that I'm really upset about. Oh, finally, the TEU arrived. Traffic Enforcement Unit officer has arrived. So I'm going to step out of the car now. I'm just enjoying the air conditioning because even if it's sundown, sunset, I mean, it's really humid outside. I came from work with a very hot office, from a very hot office. Drove through all this hot weather. And I was about to pick up my husband from work. And I was, signaling to turn. And I actually stopped because there's traffic on the opposite direction. So I stopped. And then suddenly I hear this bug on the car. And I said, oh no. So now I'll show you what the damage looks like. So here's the damage. And then the entire, this part. And then this is broken. Here, it's broken as well. The driver is okay. I don't know how much this is. So, eto po. Ang ating mga traffic enforcers. Pag ganyan na lang siguro na. So, they're trying to dislodge the... Oh, ayan. So talagang sumapit siya talaga. Pumasok talaga siya. Ups. Ayan. So itatry nilang tanggalin. Ayan. Okay. Tapos kailangan ho nating i-check kasi mag-ano yan dyan eh. Mag-ingay yan siya.
Okay na yan, ma'am.
Oo.
May kuha nito, boss ba, sir? Dahil ka ng kasi dito, Armalite, kung kuha ng edit.
Ha? Ano yun?
May Armalite. Armalite? Ano ito? May buto? Nagka-kuha sila. Ito? Nagawa sa Armalite, baka ito sa edit.
Oh my gosh!
Tabi mo na, ma'am.
Meron, sige po. Meron daw, Sandali lang po. Hala, sir. Ay, yung ano. Teka, okay. Oh, my goodness, tatabi ho muna kami. Kasi magi-interview si sir.
Saan, sir? Sa?
Sa may TEU office.
Dito sa may...
Dapat lang.
Sa
Okay,
may,
saan? Sir, salamat, sir. Kayo po si Sir Bagwasan?
Bagwasan, ma'am.
Bagwasan? Okay, salamat po sa assistance.
Ikaw lang mo
O baka maano mo siya.
Sa may police,
Sige.
ano no, yung police bar.
Okay. Okay, ganito ang situation. We were asked by the traffic enforcement officer to change, to go to the police precinct, no? And settle things there. Ngayon, may naglabas ng Armalite. My gosh, ito. Ayan. Ayan, ewan ko na. Ewan ko, nakita nyo ba yon? Oh my gosh, naglabas ng Armalite. Ewan ko anong nangyari. Nakichismis pa ako, but wow! What a day! And I'm very thankful that my husband is now here. Say hi, ga. He is so cool. Ako is galit na kay kuya, pero my husband is so cool. Sabi niya, okay, kausap niya yung bumangga sa amin. Tapos sinabi niya anong gagawin. Tapos ako, maaga pa ako bukas sa opisina. Mag-drive pa itong sasakyan na to. Sana naman, mag-drive naman. I-ano lang natin, kaya ba siya, Dad? I-ano lang kaunti. Oo, kasi mahirap po. Wala namang nasira. It's all on the outside, I hope. Plus, of course, yung, anong tawag doon? Tail lights. Oo. So, again, we are stuck in traffic. We have to turn on the AC. Ang init po talaga sa Jetson. Oh my. You know what I learned here? Wala po talagang mapapala tayo kung, you know, if we let our emotions go wild, talo tayo lahat. No, wala akong panalo. However, if we approach things, no, situations like this, very calmly, oo, ayan. Kasi dumidikit sila, Daddy. That's, sorry ha, pero that's what I notice with motorcycles. Ayan, oo.
Mga kamote drivers yan.
Ha?
Mga kamote drivers.
Should I include that in my vlog? What does kamote driver mean? To those of you who don't know kamote, kamote means yam. What does it mean?
Hindi alam mo mga ginagawa nila sa driving.
I think what Zyril meant is that the reality is, there are still drivers. Pero you know, that one, he's registered, he has driver's license. Ay, ang driver's license ko.
Nandun sa
Ay, nandun kay sir? Okay. Okay, tingnan mo. Ay, my goodness. Anyway, that's a reality. Yan po ang katotohanan. And we cannot deny that there are really drivers here who are not, what do you call that? They didn't go through driving training or lessons. And let's not talk about how come they are driving a vehicle or a what do you call this, why they have a driver's license. That is not the topic here that I want to discuss in this vlog. What I want to discuss is that what I want to say is that when we encounter such situations, let us face it, calmly, because there is a protocol, there is a system, there are laws in place, and things can be solved, but definitely we have to be responsible and accountable for our mistakes. We have to pay for damages that we are responsible for. Ayan, Dad, may ingay siya.
okay, nagaano yung doon.
Slowly lang. Ayan na. Maingay na talaga. Naririnig nyo ba? Do you hear that sound? Yeah, it's already dragging on the tire. Yeah. No, tumama na siya eh. So slowly na lang siguro tayo. Okay, sige, eto na. We'll settle this in the police precinct. And then, that's it. Are we going to turn here? Doon tayo. Okay, sige. Wow. Jensen traffic is, these days, grabe talaga. Grabe. No matter what vehicle you're driving, this is a deal, or this is the most important thing. You know, once you get in that in front of a wheel, you are 100% responsible and accountable. So this is what I always tell my students also, who some of them drive, a motorcycle. I said, a driver's license is not a right, it is a privilege. And so, just like any privileges, if you betray the trust of the organization, the institution, or the person who gave you that privilege can be taken away from you. And I hope it will not come down to loss of lives. Kasi yun ang pinaka masakit at mahirap, ang loss of life. We're here in the police precinct. Ano ganing police precinct ito, sir?
Traffic enforcement unit.
Traffic enforcer unit ng...
Hindi siya under sa police station.
Hindi ba siya?
Traffic enforcement
Separate
unit.
talaga siya.
Oo.
Okay.
Under kami ng CPO, CHQ. Abot sa amin sa 4136, sa mga 4136, Kandakang 4136, Bangga. Ganun.
Mga ganon. Oh.
Kami sa amin yan.
Okay. Okay lang, sir, mag-vlog ako, sir, ha? Walang problema. We're back home, and everything is settled. We have already filed the report. There's the dogs. Maingay sila ngayon. I'm really having a bad migraine. They say every day we should find everything that we are thankful for in every situation. And today I am thankful that I am safe. That driver that bumped into me is also safe. Family is all safe. And that's the most important thing. So for now, good night or good morning, wherever you are in this world. And as for me, I'm going to sleep this off and get rested. So goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope that you learned a thing or two from this situation that I presented. Bye. Bye. Good night. This is Chloe.